Welcome! In front of me I have MICHAEL Kors Accesss Grayson and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and also you will need to have a Google account copied from your phone to your watch so you can use the Google Play Store on your watch. If you need to copy the Google account to your watch, simply go to the Wear OS application on your phone that is paired with your watch, and there you can add the account or copy the account. Once you have the watch paired with a phone and the Google account copied to your watch, we can continue. And now we need to open the Google Play Store. So press the middle button to wake up the screen, then press the middle button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the Play Store icon. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the Play Store. You can browse different categories like premium apps recommended for you, or apps on your phone, for example, or you can tap on search. Come on. This search icon at the top, and look for something more specific. For example, watch faces, tools, or something like that. You can tap on the keyboard right here to type in the phrase. And once you find something you want to install on your watch, tap on it to select it. And then you will see the install button. Before you install it though, you can also scroll down and see the reviews, how many people downloaded the app, also the screenshots from the app if you want to check them. Okay, now let's tap on the install button to download and install the application. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you will see the open button and the uninstall button. So if you want to open the app, you can tap on it to open the application on your watch. As you can see, it's working, and you can also open the app by opening the menu on your watch and finding the icon of the application you installed, and then tapping on it to open the application. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.